Guys, it's Clara. Welcome back to my channel. I have a little Dollar Tree haul to share with you today. Stay tuned. If you like all things Dollar Tree hauls, Dollar Tree organizing, please check out my channel and subscribe below. So first, some snacky stuff for the hubster, some Chex Mixes in bold, and this one is Honey Nut. I've never seen this before. Thought we'd give it a try. Bought some brownie mix, and speaking of chocolate, some Zico coconut water. Also bought a couple of McCormick bacon pieces, some gardening gloves. These will either be for me or for my husband. And I bought more of these socks. Aria ended up loving them. She's a size 11, and yeah, they fit really well. Decided to pick up one of these cover sticks by Wet n Wild, and also bought one of my favorite packs of gum. It has been getting a lot hotter lately, and my moisturizer at night is feeling a bit too heavy. So I think I'm gonna see if I could wear this at night. It's a light moisturizer by Pons. It has vitamin E and glycerin. And yay, I found more of the eyelashes. I did give this brand a try. I really liked it. Yeah, so I bought the Wispy Natural and the Wispy Natural Light. I can always use more dry shampoo, so I picked up the Longwear Dry Shampoo by L'Oreal. I finished up using the clay one I hauled maybe about a couple months ago or something, and it works really well. These looked really fun. I don't know how long this trigger will last, because it does seem a little bit on the thin side, but this could just kind of change up our outdoor playing game. So this is a launch and catch ball, and I think I should have bought three, one for my husband, myself, and my daughter, but I thought this would be fun to play with. Bought some glue for my brother. He could not find this glue in his Dollar Tree, and I bought this wood glue for myself to fix some stuff around the house. And then I found this book. My daughter's been very much into superheroes lately, so this was kind of cute. It has one of those image motion changing things in the front there, and there's Wonder Woman, and then these other superheroes that I don't know if I ever knew about them, to be honest. But yeah, this looked like a fun book, and I think there's something fun about having a team of girls doing something. Oh wait, I do know Supergirl. They each have their own superpowers and personalities, so I think she likes that kind of thing. And then I bought a couple of these test prep workbooks. We'll be doing a little bit of this in the summer. I don't want to do a whole ton, but just to kind of keep the skills going. All right, so that is it for my teeny tiny Dollar Tree haul. If you like this video, please give me a thumbs up and subscribe. Thank you so much for watching, guys, and take care.